Hello, today we have a practice test for Autodesk Certified User exam in Revit Architecture. Here, this exam is composed of 30 questions, as we will see. And question number one, it says open building 3.revit and activate level 1 floor plan view and select the grid referred to in the image and enable the visibility of the bubble at both ends. So I should enable them to be like this other grid line. And what is the number assigned to this grid? So I will open the file. It's building 3. It's building 3. And I will go to this grid, and what I will do to enable the bubbles at both ends, I will just click on this tick box and click on this tick box. One was enough. And what is the number assigned to this grid? It's 4. Here I have the answers. Here it is 4. So this exam is one of 6 practice tests. It's available in the link in the description with all the project files. It's structured to simulate the actual certification exam made by Autodesk. You will find answers that are knowledge-based and another that are practice-based. And additionally, you will find in the um, practice bundle, you will find PDF for exam tips, how to develop your strategy for taking the exam. Remember the exam, from my experience, the exam is easy. It's all how you will manage the time. And I know a lot of colleagues who didn't pass the exam from the first time. And when I discussed with them, they actually had a very good knowledge. They understand Revit and they understood how every task should be executed, but they didn't had a plan before. They didn't plan how we gonna solve the different tasks. So with just a simple strategy, I explained how to develop your own one in the PDF with this exam bundle. You will be able to pass the exam. It's not that difficult. So that was question number one. Question number two. It says open pw4.revit. I will close that one and I will open pw04.revit, and all it says here, all the walls of the building are the same type. Change the material of the finish 1/4 layer of the wall of the building to this one. What is the color of this layer in the section preview in the edit assembly window? So I will just go here and I will go to edit type, and he tells me to change the material of this finish layer to brick material 1. So I will press on structure, and here is the finish 1/4 um, layer. I will go here and I will change it to brick material 01. And now he is asking me what is the color of this layer in the section preview in the edit assembly window. So where is the edit assembly window? It's here. You click preview and the section. He is asking about the section. Here, that is the color of the layer. It is blue. So the color is blue. The answers are, you will find it in the PDF in the last page, but so that I don't have to scroll down every time. I have it here. So the answer is blue. Question number 3. Close that one, and I will open now a PW05, PW05, and activate 3D view. Select the wall highlighted, duplicate the wall type, and change the thickness of the thermal air layer to be 0.2. What is the total thickness of this wall? So I will go to that wall. I will go to that wall and I will go to edit type, and I will go to structure, and here it's required that I change the thermal air layer to be 0.2. So I will go here and I will press 0.2, and what is required, what is the total thickness of the wall? This total thickness. Of course, in the exam, I will not get the calculator and um, just add all these values together. In the exam, he wants to test you that you know that here there is a parameter called total thickness, and here is the total thickness of this wall, 0.4025. So press OK. Okay, I will check from the answer, and here it's 0.4025. Close that one, and we will go to next question. Question number 4. It says open Windows or Revit, activate level 1 floor plan, draw a window in the same position as shown in the image with this window family and type. What is the distance between grid 1 and the reference line? So I will open windows.revit. I will open windows.revit, and I will activate level 1 floor plan. It's already activated, and I should draw the window here. Which window type? It's window family SGL plane 910 by 910. So I'll go to window S3L, that's the type, and I should draw it in the same position. So as you can see here, that is the position. I will just put it here and then use the align tool to align it together. And what is the distance between grid 1 and the reference plane? The distance, I will go here and measure the distance. It's 4.54. As you can notice here, there might come someone and tell me, okay, here I should draw a window, but the next step is that I will measure the distance, and I could have measured the distance without the need to draw the window. Okay, that might be possible, but in the exam, I agree with you. There are some questions in which the two steps you can skip one of them, but that's a risk you don't will to take because you don't know if you are going to skip the first one and you are going to dive directly into the second one, and then maybe later you discover no, there was something I missed, so you will lose a lot more time than you wished that you saved. So the better is that you just stick to the instructions and go step by step with it without thinking are they related or not, because in like 99% they are related together. So the answer here is 4.54. Answer is 4.54, and close that one. Okay, question 5. Open PW1A, activate level 1 floor plan, tag all elements by category, and how many window tags are now in this view. So I will open PW1A, and I should tag all elements by category. To do all elements, to tag all elements, I will go to annotate, and then I will go to tag all, and tag all elements by category. So I will tag all elements and press OK. Here all the elements are tagged. What is required? How many window tags are now in this view? How many window tags? So you see that I have here a couple of window tags. Of course, I will not go and count them manually. What I will do is that I will just select them all and go to filter, and here under window tags you will see here the count is 7, so that is the number. I don't have to count them manually, so the answer is here 7. I will close that one, and question 6, it says open 03 roofs, open 03 roof, and activate level 2 floor plan view, and create a roof by footprint using the exterior wall using the following settings. And here are the settings, and at the end what is the volume of this roof. So what I will do, I will go to roof by footprint, and as we know, I will not start by drawing the roof line. I will first put my input. It's level at level level 2, and type roof pitched 50 ss, and rafter cut plumb cut, rafter cut plumb cut, and overhang is 1 meter. Overhang is 1 meter, and extend to wall core unchecked. Extend to wall core unchecked. And what else? What else? And here, as you can see in the image, that all the edges here are defining the slope. And this little triangle means that all the lines are defining the slope. So now I'm ready to start drawing the wall, the roof. I will click tab to cycle between the selection, and now I have the roof outline, and I will click on finish. Now what is required? What is the volume of this roof? To get the volume, I will go here and scroll down, and I will see here that the volume is 318.509 meter cube. Here it's 318.509. Next question, question number 7. I will close that one and I will open building stairs.revit, building stairs.revit, and I should activate level 1 floor plan and create a stair by component using the following settings. These are the settings of the stair, and at the end, which dimension should I get? What is the distance between the stairs and grid to this dimension? So how I will draw the stairs, I will open here and I find here the instructions. Here it says start first run at intersection and start second run at intersection. So how will this go? If you open here this image, you will find that the stair will be like this. Here the first run, and then I will go like this, and the second run, and after I draw the stairs, I will get this dimension. We will see in a second. So I will go to stairs, and also I should input my settings first before I start to draw anything. The type is in situ concrete. Okay, that's the one. The base level 1. Okay, and the top level 2. Base and top offset 0. Base and top offset 0. Actual run width 2 meter. Actual run width 2 meter. Location line exterior support left. Location line exterior support left. Tread depth 25 millimeters. Tread depth 25 millimeters, and desired number of risers are 18. Okay, 18. The first run is to have 10 risers, and the second run is to have 8 risers. So I will start from here and go. I will have how many risers? 10. 10 risers. Okay, so that's 10. As you can see in the small text, it says 10 risers created, 8 remaining. I will click here and I will not click anywhere else. Now Revit is waiting for me to put the starting point for the second run. So I will go like here and go, and Revit will automatically connect the two runs together. And I will go like this and click anywhere, and now it's successfully created. I have the 10 risers and the 8 risers, and I will click finish. Now I should get which dimension. That one I should look carefully from which line, because here it's from this grid to, not from the wall inner side or outer side. It's from the grid. So I have to take care of this to get the accurate number. So here the answer is 6.95. Here The answer is 6.95. I'll close that one and go to next question. It says open pw rails.revit. I will open pw rails.revit and activate level 1 floor plan view. And as you can see here, I should create a rail using this dotted line and with this settings and what is the length of the rail. So that's simple question. I will go to rail and sketch path, and as always I will put my settings first. Here it's type 1100 and base level 1 and offset from path it's 0 offset from path, and I will just use this one pick line to pick the lines of this railing and press finish. To get the length of the railing, here you will find it. The length is 30.0523. 30.0523. So here the length is 30.0523. I'll close that one and go to the next question, question 9. It says open visibility option V and activate level 1 floor plan, and then I should reveal the hidden objects. How many trees you see in the view? So I'll go here and open visibility option V, visibility option V, and activate level 1 floor plan. It's already activated. And reveal hidden object. Reveal hidden object. How many trees you see in the view? The answer is 3. So the answer is 3. Answer is 3. So as a summary for the questions that we solved till now, we saw that there are different levels of difficulty. This one is simple. This one is, I can say, simple to medium, but it's more close to simple. Here it's a little bit, it's it it involves many steps, but it's easy also in the end when you train yourself for the stairs question, you'll find it easy. So you will, that same thing you will find in the exam, that there are different levels of difficulty. There will be questions in which you will able to solve it in 1 minute or less than 2 minutes, and there will be questions that will require some time, like this one, like the stairs one, because you have to pay attention to every number that is written here. So that will be the same case in the exam. So back to the questions. We'll go to question 10. It says open schedule 03. I will close that one. And I will open schedule 03. And I should create a new schedule using the following settings. Those are the settings, and at the end it's required for me to get a certain parameter. We will get into this. So I will just follow the steps. I will create a new schedule, create a new schedule, and it's a window schedule. It's a window schedule, and the category is Windows. The category is window, and the phase is new construction. The phase is new construction, and yeah, make sure that you select the correct phase, because this simple simple parameter can result in a completely different result if you select another phase. Then here he's asking about windows. There might be windows that are demolished in a phase and not available in another phases. So you should know exactly which phase he is asking about. Here in the case it's new construction, and I should add the following fields in order: family, type, level, count. I will add those fields. Should add family, then type, then level, then count. And what is required also, that I sort by family with a blank line, then by level. Sort by, um, I will go here to this tab, sorting and grouping, and I will sort by family, and here is with a blank line. Here wants this blank line, and then by level, and then by level, and at the end, um, turn itemize every instance off, and for grand totals select title, count, and totals. So I will turn this off, and for grand totals I'll select title, count, and totals, and press OK. Now I have finished the schedule. What is required: how many Windows SGL plane shows up in the schedule for level 2. He's asking about level 2 only. Where will I found it? I'll find it here. That is the family. It's SGL plane, and here is the level, the Windows in level 1 and the Windows in level 2. He is asking about level 2. So level 2, there is one window in this level. I'll go here, and the answer is 1. Next question. It says open 03 floors .revit. I will close that one, and I will open 03 floors .revit, and activate level 1 floor plan, and I should create a floor with the following properties, and at the end, what is the parameter of the floor. So as we get used to in the other question type, we go to floor, and then we put our settings first and then start drawing. So I will go here. The type is temper T1 base. The type temper T1 base, and the offset 0.6. The offset is 0.6, and the height offset from level is 0.4. Height offset from level. As you see, the values are already in here because I solved this exam on this PC before, so Revit just saves the last settings for any element. Select extend to wall core, select extend to wall core, and select exterior face of the wall and finish the sketch. So here, as you can see, my outline should look like this one. I will go like this, and here is one wall. I will press on tab to select all the walls and just click on it, and now I will press finish. Now what is required is what is the parameter of the floor. What is the parameter of the floor? The parameter, I will find it here under dimensions. It's 103.4585. The parameter here, 103.4585. I'll close this file and go to the next question. It says open sheets underscore view dot Revit, and if you have any other question regarding the exam, just write me a comment or tell me how um, what is the things you want to know about the exam, and I will I'll gladly reply and help people to get into to be Revit certified, Autodesk certified. Um, we'll go to question 12. It says open sheets underscore view dot Revit. Open sheets underscore view dot Revit and activate level 1 floor plan view, and I should create a sheet using the title block. This one, it's metric title block A1 metric standard, and what is the small text under the Autodesk logo. So to create a new sheet, I will go here and press right click and new sheet, and now Revit is asking me with which title block I would like to create this new sheet. That is the one that's required. I will press OK, and he's asking me what is the small text under the Autodesk logo. Oh, I'll go here, and the small text under the Autodesk logo is this website. Okay, I'll go here, and that is the small text under the Autodesk logo. So close that one, and we will go to next question. Question 13. It says open VLK03 and activate the site plan view, and I should import this DWG file into the project, and at the end, after I create the topo surface, it's required what is the projected area of the completed topo surface. So this type of question comes in almost all of the exams that I have solved. Um, there is always what you can say the core questions, which are the topo surface, okay, and I will get into it. The topo surface, the stairs, the roofs, yeah, those ones are they almost come in all of the exams, and they always come in the same format. So any question about the roof, 99% you will find it in this format. The question about the stairs, you'll find it 99% in this format. So to make you prepared how they're gonna ask me in the stairs or other type of Revit elements. So back to our exam, and the topo surface also almost come in this format in most of the Autodesk exams. So I will open BLK03. I will open BLK03 and activate the site, and I should import this DWG. I will go to import it. I will go here to insert and import CAD, and this CAD I should import it with these settings: current view only off, here current view only off, colors preserve, colors preserve, positioning auto origin to origin, positioning auto origin to internal origin, units auto detect, units auto detect, and then select the import instance to generate a topo surface using adding the points to layer this one. Okay, so I will open this and I'll import this DWG file, and now I should create a topo surface using this import. I will go to missing site, and then I will go to topo surface, and from here I will just click on create from import and select import instance. That will allow me now to select the AutoCAD file I've just imported. I will click on it, and this window will pop up. What is this window? It's Revit asking me with which layer would you like to create the topo surface. It says here add points from selected layers. Which layers? Those are the AutoCAD layers. When you open this DWG file, you will find this AutoCAD layer. So in the exam here, it's in this question, he tells me he wants to create the topo surface from this layer. So I will check on and then go and um, click on the layer I was asked to use. So now I will click on finish surface, and now the surface is created. Here, as you can see, I'm now selecting the topo surface. The question is asking me what is the projected area of the completed topo surface. What is the projected area? The projected area is 66.297. Is 66.297. I'll go to check my answer here, and question 13, it's 66.297. So in the exam you will find here you'll find different questions about topo surface, different questions about roofs, different question about stairs, and the last exam, which is practice test number 6. It's composed only of theoretical question to strengthen your skills in the theoretical part, and you will find also an additional PDF in this course, which which is Revit tips how to develop your strategy for the exam, and also Revit terminology explained in pictures, so that you understand how Revit works with visual examples to make it easier for you to understand the core of the Revit software. And back to the exam, we'll go to question 14. We'll go to question 14. And we'll open columns 03. We'll open columns 03. And I should use attach top base to attach the column to the above ceiling, and at the end what is the height of the column. So I will select the column and I will find here attach top base. I will click on it, then I will click on the roof, and now it's telling me what is the total height of the column. So to get the total height of the column, I can go to any elevation, and I will just use the dimension tool, and here I want to make sure that my units are two decimal places. It's 5.42. 5.42, and you can see in the exam it will be stated to how many decimal points the answer should be. So if it's to one decimal place or two decimal place or whichever decimal place, it will be stated. You will find it in the question, because if the answer is not to the correct decimal place, the answer will be wrong. It will not be taken as consideration that you made the steps, but you did the wrong decimal places. That will not be considered. The question would be considered as wrong. So I'll close that one and go to question 50. It says open 03 stairs. Open 03 stairs. And here is, as you can see, the instructions, how would be the the stairs, in the direction of the stairs. I will, here you can see it's drawn, and at the end what is the distance between the edge of the last stair and level 1. So I will go to the Revit, and I will go to stairs, and as usual we now know that we will put our settings first. I will go to type commercial EXT steel fire. Okay, that's the one. The base level is level 1, base level 1, and the top level 2, and the base and top offsets are 0. Base and top offsets are 0, and the actual run width is 2.2. The actual run width is 2.2, and um, location line exterior support left, exterior support left, and thread depth 0.28, thread depth 0.28, and the desired number of risers is 17. Desired number of risers is 17, and the first run is to have 7 risers, which means I will go like in this direction for 7. Then the second run is to have 10 then I will, starting from here, I will have 10, which is 17, 7 plus 10, to complete the stairs. Okay, now I'm ready to draw the stairs. I will just see here, it says first run start at intersection. I will go at here at this intersection, and how many stairs? First run is to have 7, so I should have 7. Here it's written 7 risers created, 10 remaining. As you can see, it's a small text. I will just click one click, okay, and scroll. Don't do any left click now. Do the left click at the point of intersection, and Revit will automatically connect those two together. Don't worry now that you don't see where will be the rest of the stair. Once I put the start point of the second run, Revit will automatically connect them together. So I'll go here to the intersection, and now I will click. And as you can see, now Revit automatically connected the two stairs together. I will go like here, and I will just click anywhere, but make sure it's in the horizontal direction, and click. Now I will click finish, and the stair is connected. Now I have to get this dimension. I will get this dimension. It's 4 meters. As you can see here, that's question number 15. That's question number 15. It's 4 meters. Okay. Question number 16. Question number 16. I'll close that one. I don't have to save it. And I will open scale BT. Scale BT. And I should change the scale to be 1 to 150, and at the end how many dashes appear in the dashed line. I will go like this, and I will first change the scale, and as you can see here, I cannot find the 1 to 150, which is the purpose of this question. He wants to test if you know how to change it. I will click on custom and click on 1 to 150, and now I have the 1 to 150. How many dashes appear in the dash line? Now I will go here, and I will just count how many dashes I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. That's question 16. The answer is 7. We'll close that one, and question 17, it says open 2 ground building.revit, activate level 1 floor plan, turn on the visibility for furniture in this view. What is the type of the desk in the view? So I will open 2 ground building.revit, and I will activate level 1 floor plan view and turn on the visibility of furniture. To turn on the visibility of furniture, I will just click on VV to get the visibility graphic overrides, and I will scroll down to furniture, and I will click on this tick box to enable its visibility, and click OK. And as I clicked OK, you'll find here there is a desk that appeared, and what is required, what is the um, type of the desk, and the type of the desk is 1525 times 762. So as you can hear, it's this type. So question number 18, it says open bo2.revit and activate level 1 floor plan and reveal hidden elements, and at the end how many chairs we have in this view. So I will open bo2 bo2.revit and activate level 1 floor plan view, and I will reveal hidden elements. I will click on this one, and the question is how many chairs we have in this view. The answer is 2. If you go here, the answer is 2. Next question, question 19. It says open 3D1A and activate the 3D view. Open the family of the furniture desk in the view and change the visual style to consistent color. What is the color of the top of the desk? I will follow the instructions. I will go here and I will open 3D1A, and I will activate the 3D view. Okay, here is our desk, and I will open the family of the furniture desk. To open the family, I will just double click on it, and I will change the color to consistent color. And what is the color of the top of this desk? The answer is orange. The answer is orange. Question 20. It says open views underscore camera. I will close all of those files and I will open views underscore camera. And here it's in the image, it's shown the instructions where should I put the camera target and the eye of the camera. I will follow also the instructions here. To create a camera, I will go to view, and under 3D views I will find the camera, and I will put here the eye of the camera, and here I will put the target. And the question says, how many cars partially or fully do you see in the 3D view? So how many cars partially or fully I see? 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. I will close that one, and the answer here is 4. Question 21, it says under which panel in architecture can you find the window tool? Model or build or room and area or opening. So the answer is build. If you open here just any file and under architecture, here is the panels. That is build, that is model, that is opening. You should know the naming of those of the user interface parts in Revit. This is called a panel. Oh, that is build. That is build. Um, Question 22, it says model lines are only visible in the views they are created in. True or false? The answer is false, but we can also give it a try and see uh, what we can do. We will go to an we will open a new file, a new blank file. We don't just want any other elements which can make us not focus. And we will go to an um, okay to level 0, and we will go and we will create a model line. Okay, and this model line I should see it in all the other views. So inside, of course, I will see it in 3D view. Here it's the line. In the elevation, I also see it. So here, that is, you don't want to um, mess between the model line and the detail line. The detail line is only visible in the view, but the model line is visible in all the views. So if we go and next to this one, we will create a detail line. To create a detail line, we can go to annotate, and here we will create a detail line. And now if we go to site, it's not there. If we go to 3D, it's not there. If we go to any elevation or any section, it's not there. So the detail line is visible only in the view it's created. So if I go to this elevation and create another detail line, here that is the detail line, but it's not visible in any other view. So that's the purpose of this question. That is false. Question 23. Which of the following is not a Revit extension? .rbt, .rte, .rfa, .rsa. So the answer is .rsa. .rbt is the Revit file extension. .rte is the Revit template extension, and .rfa is the Revit family extension. As if you go, we want here, that is a template file, that is RTE, and if you go to a family file and save it, you will find the RFA. The answer here is .rsa. The answer .rsa. After rendering an image, which parameter can you still adjust in the image? Quality settings, image size, exposure, material. The answer is C, exposure. The answer is C, exposure. In question 25, a filled region contains fill patterns. What are the two types of fill patterns? It's drafting object, drafting model, model object, drafting assembly. The answer is drafting model. Drafting model. You can create tools in a draft view. The answer is false. Drafting view is as if you have an additional piece of paper to draw a sketch, an explanatory sketch, but it's not connected to the model at all. You cannot you cannot draw a model line in it. You cannot draw. You can draw detail line. You can draw. You can use filled regions and stuff, but you cannot create walls or roofs or any other stuff. Question 6. Question 6 is false. Which of the following is not a system family? The answer is Windows. The answer is Windows. What is the only different parameter between the two stairs? Okay, so we can zoom a little bit. What is the only different parameter? As you can see here, this thickness is different than this one, and that is the thread's thickness. We see the support type. They both have the same support type. The riser height, they look to have the same riser height. The nosing length, they look to have the same nosing length, but it's obvious they have different thread thickness. Question 29. Identify the following stairs component. What is 1 and 2 and 3? Oh, 1 is the run, 2 is the landing, and 3 is the support, which is landing, run, no, run, landing, support, run, landing, support, this one. Run, landing, support. What does this icon stands for? It's for split face. And by this we come to the end of this practice exam.